Your smile's the first thing someone notices about you. You wouldn't want someone to think different of you just because of your yellow teeth, would you? People with white teeth are perceived as being healthier overall, and first impressions can go a really long way. This is especially true if you're interviewing for a dream job. Not only will a white, winning smile be good for you, but it'll also improve your confidence. But if maintaining your oral hygiene is becoming difficult, you might want to whiten your teeth. Finding that special someone is no easy task, but according to a recent study conducted at Match.com, 71% of women say that they judge a man based on his teeth. Research has also shown that those who are applying for a job are 58% more likely to get the job and are 53% more likely to get offered an increased salary with whitened teeth. With that said, if you want to whiten your teeth, you should practice oral hygiene. But if you know that's not going to happen, try doing these cheap but effective techniques. Number 8, use mouthwash. Mouthwash isn't just a great way to freshen up your breath. If you buy the right product that has whitening and cleansing properties, it can also help you whiten your teeth. Combine your regular brushing and flossing with regular use of mouthwash, and watch your smile improve. Mouthwash will also kill bacteria in your mouth and kill those bad germs that ruin your day. Number 7, stay away from energy drinks. The usual suspects. Drinks that stain teeth are coffee, tea, and red wine. But you can also add energy drinks to that list now. They contain acids that have eroding effects that are the same as eating a citrus fruit. However, if you want to consume an energy drink, you can do it through a straw. Overconsumption of energy drinks is also known to be bad for our health. So, if you tend to drink energy drinks a lot, make sure you do it in moderation. The same can be said for sugary drinks like pop. Try to avoid them, and if you can avoid them, at least try to drink them in moderation. Number 6, keep swapping your toothbrush. To whiten your teeth, you need to be constantly swapping out your toothbrush, replacing it every 3 months, or when you see the bristles begin to bend or wear down. With bent or worn down bristles on a toothbrush, it no longer has the ability to get the plaque in deeper parts of your mouth. You should also remember that bacteria can eventually build up on toothbrushes. This is why you should switch them every few months. Number 5, brush your tongue. Brushing your tongue won't just give you fresh breath, but it can also help prevent staining as well. The bacteria that your tongue accumulates can lead to discoloration of your teeth. All that you need to do is get a soft toothbrush and do long strokes starting from the back of your tongue. After each stroke, rinse your toothbrush. By performing this, it'll help remove the bacteria from your toothbrush without redepositing it on your tongue. Number 4, rinse your mouth with apple cider vinegar. It may not be the most effective way to whiten your teeth, but it is a natural, organic way to maintain a healthy smile. The best way to do this is to mix water with apple cider vinegar and swish it around in your mouth for 1 minute. Number 3, eat raw veggies and fruits. Not only are fruits and vegetables beneficial for your body, but they're also good for your teeth. Consuming nuts, raw apples, carrots, and cauliflower will help remove the stains and plaque. Stains and plaque can lead to cavities. Number 2, use gel trays. Whitening strips are a popular choice for people who are looking to whiten their teeth. But Beverly Hills dentist Dr. Arthur Glossman is not a fan of them. Dr. Glossman says that whitening strips do not distribute the paste evenly. The strips can't reach the gum line, and that's where the teeth become the darkest. The better alternative is to use gel trays, which can reach the gum line. Number 1, rinse with water after eating an orange. Oranges are loaded with vitamin C, which has loads of health benefits. But this delicious citrus fruit contains acid that can chip away at the enamel of your teeth. This can cause your teeth to stain easier. The good news is that there is a simple solution. After consuming an orange, rinse your mouth with water and wash away the acid that's sticking to your teeth. Now that you know some cheap, natural ways to whiten your teeth, here's a home remedy you can use with baking soda and lemon juice to whiten your teeth in just minutes. The color of the teeth can darken with age and collect a variety of surface stains over time. which prompts many to strive for a brighter smile. There are a number of whitening options available, including specialty toothpaste, whitening strips, over-the-counter gels, and rinses. However, before you go out and spend a ton of money on whitening products, there are simple and economical home remedies that are equally as effective. Using just a few items that you probably have lying around your home, this teeth whitening trick will have your smile beaming in no time. To create the whitening paste, all you'll need is baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, a lemon or citric acid, and a toothbrush. Once you've gathered these household items, grab a saucer pan or a plate to mix the ingredients together. Start by cutting the lemon in half and then squeezing the juice into the saucer. You'll want a fair amount of lemon juice or citric acid to begin with. Next, add some baking soda to the lemon juice. Try to equally proportion the two ingredients in the saucer. If there's too much baking soda, add more lemon juice, and vice versa. Once your mixture has a good mix of lemon juice and baking soda, take a toothbrush and start mixing it together. The two ingredients should turn into a foamy paste. Now, use the paste to brush your teeth. Make sure to not leave the paste on your teeth for more than 2 minutes, as the acid can damage your enamel. Use this paste twice a day for 3 weeks, and you'll have a visibly whiter smile. Baking soda is composed of a chemical compound which makes it effectively remove any surface stains. The citric acid in lemon juice cleanses the mouth. The vitamin C helps lighten the teeth, and the acidic and antibacterial properties help kill bacteria. Warning about baking soda. Many people have been told that using baking soda to whiten your teeth is beneficial. Granted, it will help remove stains from your teeth, but if you continue to use it, it will eat away at your enamel. Once your enamel is gone, your teeth will get darker. Oral hygiene. It is absolutely crucial that you have a good oral hygiene routine if you want good oral health. Our oral health can have a big impact on our overall health. And if you don't take care of your teeth, it can lead to further problems down the road, which could be detrimental to our health and also costly. Make sure that you're visiting a dentist at least every 6 months, and as much as you probably hate it, you should also be flossing every day and brushing your teeth twice a day. If you notice or encounter any oral health problems, be sure to visit your dentist right away so that he or she can spot out problems before they develop into conditions or other serious health issues. Never underestimate the importance of your oral health. Take care of your teeth by going to regular checkups and keeping up with regular oral hygiene routines. You won't regret it. So, what do you think? What are some cheap, effective, and natural ways to whiten your teeth? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of Bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.